Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I want to show you how to use the Vlookup function with the choose function. The choose function is a very powerful function that gives you control over which column represents what. You can do it with numbers, and in this scenario, we're going to do it with columns. So we know the Vlookup function has a major rule. The lookup function, whatever we are looking up, that particular data must be in the most left-hand column. Well, we're going to work around that today by using the choose function. As you see here, my lookup value is first names. In my data set, that's column 3. The result I want is the pay rate, which is column 9. Now, of course, I could move this from here and put it over here. I could probably move this from here and put it over here. But I don't need to interrupt my data set. I'm going to use my choose function. Let's see what that looks like. So I'm going to say equal VLOOKUP. My lookup value is right over here. I'm going to lock that in place. F4, good practice. My table array. Now usually this is where I would grab my data set and so on. But it's right here. I'm going to use my choose function. We're going to use our array knowledge. Open our curly brackets. Say 1, comma separator 2. Close those curly brackets. Now what I'm telling Excel is I only want you to focus on 2 columns. Okay? Now, I'm going to use my comma separator again. I'm going to tell Excel which columns I want it to focus on. So the first one must be the one that carries my lookup value. So this first name is going to be my column 1. F4, lock that in place, comma separator, and my second column is going to be the one with my result pay rate. So it's going to be this one. Let's lock that in place as well. All right, close out our choose function. Now I'm back in my VLOOKUP. The column index number, we've got column 1 and column 2. So now this is my column 2. So I'm going to say 2. And of course, I want an exact match. I'm going to close my parentheses. And there is my result. So I've just used the VLOOKUP function without visually, and even in my data set, my lookup value being in the most left-hand column. But I'm still using that rule. Technically, I'm still using that rule. But because I know the rule, I'm able to break it. But I'm able to tell Excel with my choose function what I want to be my most left-hand column, which is my column 1, and then my column 2. Super cool. Over here, I've gone ahead, made a drop down with the names. So if I wanted to check Gail, 1, 2, 3, Gail, come over, 455. Let's look for Mark. Mark is also 1225. So that is how you can do, let's call it a workaround for the VLOOKUP function using the choose function. I'll see you guys in the next video.